Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Tricks TV. So here we are going to do the unboxing of a new gadget. So as you can see by the title, I have ordered a Dell monitor. It's a P series monitor, and I ordered it from Amazon because I was having problem in doing my coding stuff. So I thought to have a bigger screen because laptop is not very suitable for the coding purpose. So thanks to Amazon for the quick delivery during this lockdown period. So let me just open it up. Let me start from here to the top. It's a 24-inch monitor. So it has been very nicely packed by Amazon. So the model number of this is P2419. So as far as I know, the 24 stands for 24 inch. And let me see from where to open it up. Okay, so this is the top, and here we have some instructions. So we have to open it sideways. So let me first cut the tape. Okay. So here we go. Here we have the manual, I guess. Yes, that how to connect with your monitor to your CPU and all those stuff. Let me keep it aside. So here we have the stand. It's quite heavy. I think it's made up of full metal. Yeah, it's a metal body. Now the plastic is also included in this. Let me keep it aside. So here we have some power cable. This is the main power supply for the monitor, and we have some more cables. And next we have the sliding stand. In this monitor you can change it from portrait to landscape mode as well. So here's the thing which slides up and down. You need to be very careful while opening it up so that you don't damage it. Okay, so this is the thing which is for sliding, I guess. Yeah, you need to hold it like this. I will check it later. And finally, the monitor. Here we have our monitor. Let me take it out. Okay. Here we have the Dell monitor P2419. So I'll do the setup of this now. I'll go through the manual first, and then I'll perform the setup. It has options. You can connect HDMI, you can have it has a VGA port and some USB port as well. This is USB 3.0, I guess. And I think that's a lock. So here we have it's a full HD 1080p display. Its screen size is 24 inches and the resolution is, and the response time of this monitor is 8 milliseconds for normal and 5 milliseconds for fast. The aspect ratio is 16:9. So I think it is quite suitable for my need. It has got ultra thin bezels, as you can see. So I'll just do the setup of it and we'll get back. So I'm going to quickly attach this part with the stand. So for that you need to, there's a screw if you see, and you need to press it on this. Once you press, you need to, so for attaching this part to the monitor stand, you need to use this screw and tighten this up. Make sure it is properly secure, and then this movable part has been attached to the monitor stand. And once you are done with this, you need to attach this part to the monitor. For that you need to push it like this. There are two gaps. You need to push this part, and here's a button, and when you press it inside, then you need to push it down. So you'll hear a click sound. It means that this stand has been properly attached to the monitor. So that's how you do the assembly of this. Now you can see as the monitor has been properly attached. So I'll show you how to move it up. You need to press it down. If you want to move it downwards, just press it gently, and for moving it up, you need to push it up. Now for rotating, you need to make sure that it is at the topmost level, and then you can rotate it gently. So this is how you turn from portrait landscape to portrait mode. And you can again, so this is the maximum you can rotate. Now you can go back to the original landscape position, and you can also tilt the monitor like this. And again, if you want to go back, and you can also rotate it sideways. Now I'm going to connect my laptop with using this cable which I have got with the monitor. So let me just quickly do it. So I have connected the cable, and now I'm going to connect the power cable. Let me just open it up. Okay, it has been very tightly secure. So this is the power cable. I'm going to connect it now. So on the rightmost you have the make sure you push it gently, and it's done. Now I'm going to rotate the monitor. Okay, I'll plug the power cable. So I've connected the power cable. Now I'm going to press this button for turning on the monitor. So I'm going to connect the cable with my laptop and see if it works. Okay, so I've connected my laptop. I'm going to change the settings of my laptop to the project mode. So finally I've connected my laptop with the monitor, and this is how it looks. The display on the monitor is much better. It's a full HD display, and on the laptop it's not a very good display. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, make sure you put it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel New Tech Tricks TV, and do give it a thumbs up to this video.